Well, hello, everybody. It's Robb Moffett. Guys, today we're making a chicken and cheese quesadilla, and it's only going to cost 99 cents. At the end of the video, I'll go over each individual ingredient and show you the breakdown of the cost. This isn't going to be a long video. Let's get started. This is just a simple quesadilla with some chips and some salsa. You want to start with really good quality meat. I've got chicken breast, $1.86 a pound, two of them. This chicken breast I can cook and make 4 quesadillas out of it. I cook in a non-stick skillet, but you can use an iron skillet, anything you want. But the main thing is I like to cook really slow until the meat falls off the bone. And I don't do a lot of fancy stuff. I'm kind of lazy to cook. I put a couple of tablespoonfuls of Italian dressing in the pan, along with some garlic powder and some parsley and a little pepper. And then just put the lid on there, and I'll cook it for about half an hour, 45 minutes on one side, then about the same amount of time on the other. And then the meat starts falling off, and it's really got good flavor. And all the juices were recirculated, and it's just very tender and moist. Got a wonderful flavor. So you want to start off with the really good quality meat and cook it to where it's not you're making cardboard. You know, you want something really tasty. Now, for the spices, you can purchase salsa, but this salsa is very expensive. This is like $2, $1.98 for I think like 7 ounces or something. It's excellent quality, don't get me wrong. It's very good tasting, but you can make something for like 1/6 the cost. Walmart has these cans that have green pepper, celery, and onion. Don't get the ones with garlic and basil, because the garlic is really bitter taste. These are delicious. You can get them 68 cents a can. Add some pepper flakes, simmer it in your pan until it condenses and balls off just a little bit and gets a little thicker, and you can make a delicious little salsa for 1/6 the cost. Now, I use some dollar store tortillas. There are much better ones available, but this is what I had. And now, this is the chicken. It's about 60 or 70 grams, about 1/4 of that piece of chicken that was cooked, and about 40 grams of cheddar cheese. Most people use Monterey Jack, which is wonderful. There's hardly any cheese I don't like, but I happen to have a lot of cheddar. I buy the cheddar in big 5-pound bags and separate them into 1-pound bags, put the rest of them in the freezer, and then use them as needed, and just use a little bit at a time, and it makes the cheese go a long way. But you don't want to skimp on the cheese, because this is going to be basically 2 ingredients, cheese and meat. Hueso el carne. So I have a panini grill, but you don't need one. In fact, if you use a hot iron skillet with a little grease in it, it'd be even better, because the chicken and cheese do not need to be cooked. You're just trying to brown or crisp up your tortilla. What I did is I used a panini grill, but I didn't use a very high heat, because I'm always afraid of using high heat in the non-stick stuff. It might give off some fumes or something. I'm a scaredy cat. But I cooked mine until it was nice and crisp. It didn't brown up as much as you would on a skillet. And there's my salsa. My chips are the chips I got at the dollar store. They're the nacho chips. They're extraordinary. I'm addicted to the darn things. So I'll give you the cost of each individual item. This makes a very tasty lunch. I think it looks great, but it tastes even better. The chicken and cheese, the flavor comes across in the tortilla very well. You're going to get spoiled, actually. And the cost is so low, it's like 99 cents. Look, all that cheese, that goodness, all that cheese love. Oh my goodness. Now, this is the breakdown of the cost. Let's go here. Now, see how nice and thick that is? Even though I pressed with a panini grill, it's still all that chicken and cheese in there. I'm getting hungry again. So let's go to the cost. The tortilla was 12 in a pack for $1. Works out about 12 cents for 1 tortilla quesadilla. The chicken was $1.86 a pound. I used 1 chicken breast, and I used 1/4 of it, so that's about 47 cents. The cheese, like I said, I buy it in a big 5-pound bag, and then I separate it. it's about 0.62 cents per gram, and I used 40 grams. You saw what I used in the video. 25 cents. Chips is 10 cents. I used 21 grams, but this is kind of a lie, because even though I only used 10 cents once I opened the darn bag, even though I only used 1/10 of it on the quesadilla, the other 90% I'm going to eat. And I get up in the middle of the night. I guess I sleepwalk. I don't know. I eat those suckers. The salsa, you can make it yourself. It was 5 cents, but you can, if you want to use the jar, it's like 34 cents or something. I didn't put in the cost for the salad dressing. I just used a couple of tablespoonfuls, but because not everybody's going to use this, they'll have their own dressing. So total was 99 cents. I think that's a pretty good meal, guys, for 99 cents. And if you like this type of video, I'm going to be making some more of these cooking cost videos. I kind of enjoy breaking them down to how much things cost. And I'll be doing some more of these. I have some playlists down here. One of my playlists in my channel is on cooking, and I got close to 200 videos, and a lot of them are from other people. For example, I feature a lot of people on my channel, no relation to me, and a lot of them do a lot of cooking, and when they do, I feature them on my playlist. Put on new videos every week. Been doing it for almost 13 years now, and got close to 800 videos, and it's something I enjoy, and I hope you guys enjoy it too. And if you have anything you'd like me to cook up and figure out how much it costs, you let me know, and I'll certainly give a try. And be putting more of these on. I'm kind of I'm kind of excited. I've been doing a lot of cooking videos over the years, but I never broke down the cost, and it's kind of enjoyable. I don't know, I like it. All right, guys, I'm around here. It's time to go, and hope you enjoyed it. Hope you go out there and make yourself something really good to eat, and don't spend a lot of money. All right, take care. See you out there.